Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make crab boil seasoning. First, gather your essential spices, including paprika, cayenne pepper, and garlic powder. Next, measure out whole spices like bay leaves, mustard seeds, and coriander seeds. Finally, combine all these ingredients in a bowl, ensuring they are well mixed for a perfectly balanced blend. This simple process sets the foundation for a delicious crab boil. For a classic crab boil, start with 1/4 cup of sweet paprika to achieve that vibrant color and deep flavor. Next, add 2 tablespoons of cayenne pepper if you enjoy a good spicy kick. Adjust to your preference. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of whole black peppercorns, which will provide a wonderful aromatic depth to your seasoning blend. These proportions are key for a robust taste. To maximize flavor, lightly grind your whole spices, like bay leaves and mustard seeds, just before mixing. This releases their essential oils, enhancing the aroma and taste of your seasoning. Then, combine all powdered and ground whole spices together in a large bowl, ensuring an even distribution. Store your freshly made crab boil seasoning in an airtight container in a cool, dark place to maintain its potency and freshness for future use. You can easily customize your crab boil seasoning to suit your taste. Adjust the heat level by adding more or less red pepper flakes, or even a pinch of ghost pepper powder for extreme spice. For a brighter, more aromatic profile, consider incorporating some fresh lemon or orange zest into your blend. And speaking of staying refreshed, remember to check the description below for a link to a great water bottle and other fantastic deals. Enjoy your personalized crab boil.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.